Welcome, students, to this 2 week Moodle course, Plant Hormones. I am Dr. Sabina, coordinator of this course, and the name of course is Plant Hormones. A brief introduction about this course, Plant Hormones, which is an online course. This comes in the category of plant physiology of plant sciences. In this course, introduction about the plant hormones, or which are also known as plant growth promoters or regulators, that will be deliberated and explained all the aspects of plant hormones, their classification, what are natural plant hormones, what are synthetic hormones, and also their chemical nature will be discussed. Plant hormones are very important for the growth and development of the plant. They perform different important functions in plant life that all will be discussed in this course. Besides many synthetic plant hormones, they show a lot of practical application, or we can see they have market value in the field of horticulture, in the field of plant tissue culture. As you see in this slide, seedless fruits, watermelon, papaya, seedless grapes, which is known as parthenocarpy, they are because of the application of plant growth hormones. Then rooting of cuttings, which is economically very important for the formation of plantlets from cuttings. They are also uh, developed by the application of many types of plant hormones that all will be discussed in this course. As far as course design is concerned, four quadrant approach has been followed in this course. First quadrant, in this quadrant, e-contents in the form of videos will be uploaded. In the second quadrant, e-text in the form of PDFs, PPTs, all the material that will be uploaded. And third quadrant is related to assessment part of the course. Last part, or the fourth part of this quadrant approach, is discussion forum, where students will be given a chance to clear their doubts, to ask different questions or queries. The eligibility or prerequisite conditions for this course is a learner or a student should have the knowledge of biology at their higher secondary level. Description of the course. Here we can discuss this course consists of four modules or topics. Topic 1 is related to introduction and classification of various types of plant hormones. Topic 2 is related to auxins, one of the important growth hormones, and all their physiological role, their discovery, their chemical nature, that will be discussed. Topic 3 related to another category of hormones, that is gibberellins. Here also their physiological role, their importance, their discovery, that will be discussed. And the last type of plant growth promoters, that means cytokinins, they will be discussed as far as their importance, their physiological role is concerned. Course evaluation. Course will be evaluated by means of different assessment tests in the form of MCQs, or you can say quiz tests, fill in the blanks, true